This section will cover understanding the Michigan Transfer Agreement. So what is the MTA? It's an agreement with community colleges and colleges in the state of Michigan that provides for the transferability of a block of core requirements. So it's comprised of 30 credits of general education classes, and to secure that MTA stamp of approval from SMC, students must complete those minimum of 30 MTA approved credits, achieve a minimum of a C or better in each of those courses, and earn at least one of the courses at SMC. What are the requirements? There are 6 different areas that you'll have to finish within the MTA requirements. And again, you must get a C or better in each of those courses. So different areas are English composition or speech, mathematics, natural science, social science, and humanities. And there's a special note that if you did take a CLEP exam, for instance, in an English course, that would not count towards receiving your MTA. So just keep that in mind if you are doing any CLEP exams. So next we'll go over the English composition requirement. All students have to take an English 103 or W. The W just stands for a workshop that gets added on to English. So that's something that all students need to take. For your English composition or communications requirement, you can choose an additional English or one of the speech courses. Next is the mathematical requirements. Each student is required to take one college level math course. We have listed all of the courses there. Most popular ones are probably college algebra, contemporary mathematics, or statistics to meet those requirements. But you can, if you've tested higher, that's the special note at the bottom of the slide there. Math placement is based on your SAT or ACT or your AccuPlacer scores. So wherever you test is where we'll put you in for your degree. Natural sciences next. You do have to take 2 courses, and they must be in 2 different areas. So for instance, you can't take Bio 101 and 102 to meet this requirement. You would need maybe, for instance, a biology and a chemistry, or an environmental science and a geography. Next is social science. These, again, you need 2 from the following options, and you must take from 2 different areas. So again, you can take a psychology and a history, or a political science and a sociology. You just would not be able to take 2 sociology courses to meet the requirement. Humanities is the last one. Humanities will be your kind of art or music or literature courses. And again, in this section, you need to have 2 courses from 2 different areas. So what do all those letters and numbers mean? You can visit the college catalog, which is a link in the section, in one of the earlier sections in this module, to kind of see all the course descriptions so you can make a good choice about which classes you're going to take. Again, most of the requirements that you're going to need to have met will be on your catalog page. So some of the choices are already made for you, but you may have some choices for electives, and you can choose from these classes as well. And again, another special note, just meet with your academic advisor to ensure that you are taking the correct courses each semester.